Welcome to the RPM Skill Channel. Today, we're delving into the much-anticipated 2026 Toyota FJ Cruiser, a revival of the legendary off-road SUV that combines classic ruggedness with modern advancements. Let's explore its exterior design, powertrain, options, and safety features. The 2026 FJ Cruiser pays homage to its heritage with a boxy and robust silhouette, reminiscent of the original FJ40. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by round LED headlights, maintaining the iconic look that enthusiasts adore. Modern touches include sharper lines and updated bumpers, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The distinctive white roof and wraparound rear windows remain, preserving the classic two-tone appearance. Under the hood, the 2026 FJ Cruiser offers multiple powertrain options to cater to various preferences. Whirlpool turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering robust performance suitable for both on-road and off-road adventures. Hybrid variant, combining the turbocharged engine with an electric motor to enhance fuel efficiency without compromising power. These powertrains are paired with advanced transmission systems, ensuring smooth gear shifts and optimal torque distribution. The vehicle's suspension has been fine-tuned for off-road prowess, featuring increased ground clearance and durable components to tackle challenging terrains. Safety remains a priority in the 2026 FJ Cruiser. Equipped with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, it includes features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, alerts the driver of potential frontal collisions, and applies brakes if necessary. Lane departure alert with steering assist warns if the vehicle drifts from its lane and provides gentle steering correction. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains a set speed and distance from the vehicle ahead, adjusting speed as needed. Automatic high beams automatically toggles between high and low beams based on oncoming traffic to enhance nighttime visibility. The 2026 Toyota FJ Cruiser masterfully blends nostalgic design elements with contemporary technology and performance enhancements. It's poised to reclaim its status as a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and those seeking a reliable, rugged SUV with modern comforts. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the RPM Skill Channel for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Share your thoughts on the 2026 FJ Cruiser in the comments below, and let us know which vehicles you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching.